Hi guys, and today video I'll be unboxing the Craftsman vacuum. This is the 4.0 horsepower. So this thing has a 3-year warranty, and it comes with the filter and a curved pipe and 2 long pipe. And this is an accessory. This is a 10 amp. So here we go. As always, this comes with the manual, and 4 wheels. It's pretty big. So this one I got is I think the 9 gallon. This is a wet and dry vacuum. There's another pipe right here. Okay. So this is the intake. This is the out. You got this to hook up here. I don't know what they're for. Oh, for the hose to go around, I think. On off button. Okay. So the filter is already come installed with the vacuum. And inside, the hose, the filter, and come with this, and this, and the 4 screw for the wheel, I think, for the wheel out here. Okay, so each wheel has got the storage for the hose, I think, like that. Alright, I'm going to install the wheel. I'll tap them down a little bit. That's it. So this is the regular filter, and this is the wet filter. If you want to use the wet filter, you have to remove this. And remove this also. And put the wet filter over this all the way down. Like that is for the wet filter. So right now I'm going to use the regular filter. I don't need the wet filter yet. This back. And lock it up. And I'm going to test it out. See how loud it is. And also the inside, what it looks like. This is the intake. So the dust will go in here. It will go down. Like they have a block right here. So there's a hole right here. And this is for the water, to release the water. If you use a vacuum, that's to release the water. Okay, I'm going to put it up and test it out. Let's go this way. Intake here and the out. It's right there. I'm going to attach the hose. There's a clip up here. You lock it up, pull it out, lock it up like that, and now secure. Now we'll turn it on. extremely strong. So this is 4 horsepower. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'll see you guys in the next video.